Hi guys, Marcin Wesel here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to provision a custom VPS server on Laravel Forge. So first of all, we'll log into Laravel, create a new server, provide some details. I've already bought one VPS just for this purpose. And after that, I'll show you how to log in to VPS using the Ubuntu account, and then we'll allow root user to log in. We'll change the password, and after all, we'll enable SSH to allow root user to log in. And whenever it will be ready, then we'll start a custom script from Laravel just to make it be able to provision the server and to be used further from Laravel Forge Administration Panel. So let's jump into the video. All right, now you can see my main administration panel in Laravel Forge. And next that we need to do is to create a new server. There is a button Create Server. Let's click on that. And then by clicking Custom VPS, we need to provide some additional info. Like first of all, the name and the type of server, but let's leave it as app server. But now we need the IP address. So let me copy it. This will be the information that you will get from your VPS provider. This we don't need, and also SSH port stays as it is. Let's create it. And now we need to provision a custom VPS. So we need to copy this script and run it as a root user. So here you can see that you should SSH into the server as a root user. However, Laravel Forge requires from you to use Ubuntu 22.04 version, which doesn't allow root user to log in. And it's for security purposes. So you normally get a Ubuntu user. That username is Ubuntu, and then you get some password. And this is the case also here. So I've opened terminal, and now I need to SSH at Ubuntu user at, and here you need to copy once again the IP address of your server. Okay, when you have it, the first login, it's always like checking the fingerprint. Yes, this is correct. And now you need to provide the password. So I have my password already copied. Let me paste it. And now I'm logged in as the Ubuntu user at my VPS. Okay, so now what I need to do? First of all, I have to enable root login. So first of all, let's edit the file. There is a file named etc/ssd/sshd-config. So you need to change its content. I usually use the nano editor to do that. And you need to execute it with a sudo command. So super user do. And now you need to locate exactly this line. So this is permit root login. And usually, first of all, it's copied. And the second of all is prohibit password. But we need to log in with password. So now you have to change it from prohibit password to yes. And now to exit the nano, you press Ctrl X, then Y and enter. So it's already overwritten, perfect. And now let's restart the SSH service as there is this control function system control restart SSH, enter, it's already restarted, perfect. And the last thing, last but not least, is to change the password for super user, so for the root user. You may do it by simply executing passwd, now state the password, restate it once again, and password updated successfully. Okay, now let's log out and let's try once again to log in, but this time let's put root instead of Ubuntu. Let me type the password here. Yep, now we are good to go. Okay, let me then go back to Laravel Forge, copy the script. Please keep in mind that after the script will be executed, you will have different sudo password and different database password. So just store it somewhere to have it like safely accessible in the future, just in case. It wouldn't be normally needed, but just in case, it's good to have it. All right, let me paste, and that's it. It's already executing, so you can now check here like how the next steps are executed already visible in Laravel Forge main panel. Okay, so let's wait for finishing up. All right, so your server is already finishing up. So we are almost ready. Now you can see that the hidden lake is already there. So you can stop it, you can restart it. And when you go back here, it's already logged out and you can now you have to first log out. But whenever you try now to log in as root, there is already the permission denied. So all the security means was provided by Forge and now it's in place. And now you can restart server, restart any other service that is running. You can stop it and you can create a new site. For example, you've got a Wesel core domain. You select project type and just add site. After the site is installed, then you pick should it be fetched from Bitbucket as a custom code, should it be a WordPress installation, or maybe it should go as phpMyAdmin. Okay, so overall, the tutorial is completed. If you have any questions, please give me some comments under the movie. And if you like it, just click on thumbs up. If not, also click on thumbs up. And thank you very much for today. See you in the next video.